Welcome to this tutorial about the verb to be. What is it? It's an important verb, the first one to know when you're learning English. And why do we need it? Well, we need it basically to explain things and to say what things are, people are, and what they do in life. So it's about explanations. Alright, so let's get to it. First of all, we're going to talk about the three forms: positive, negative, and interrogative. And if we talk about the positive, we need to talk about subject pronouns or subjects, which are just names or pronouns. And they start with first person, I, second person of the singular, you, and the third, which is a very important subject to keep in mind, he for male, she for woman, it for an object or an animal. And then we have the plural ones. The first person plus another one, it's we. The second person in plural is you. And the third one, which is people we talk about or things we talk about, they. Now, every one of these subject pronouns, they have to use a verb to be. In this case, for first person, I use am to explain what I am. For example, I am a teacher. I can use contractions as this, as I can make my speech faster. So I would say, I'm a teacher. Now for you, you say you are a student, or you're a student, or you're happy. Now for he, she, it, we use the verb to be is. In this case, I can also use is, or his, she's, its. And for we, you, and they, we have the verb to be are. We, for example, we are friends, or we are happy, or we are at this point students. Now when we talk about the negative, it's simply just using the verb to be plus an auxiliary, which we can call not, to make the negative form. Also, to contract it, we just simply use contraction or apostrophe in the verb, or in next to the not, as we're going to see now with the verb to be is. We can say he is not a boy, he is not a good friend, or he isn't the best friend. So you see, we have three combinations. Two forms is not, the short form is not, and then isn't. And for plurals, we also continue with the same pattern: are not, or aren't, or simply the contraction on the subject. For example, we're not good friends. And finally, don't forget, these are three forms to use the negative: are not, aren't, or the verb after the subject, not. Now when we talk about the interrogative form, we have what we call switching, in which the subject will take second place and the verb to be first place to form the question. Easy way to understand this is by asking, am I okay? Or are you okay? Are you good? Are you happy? Are you sad? I want to know things about a person in singulars. For example, is he a teacher? Or I can ask, is she my new teacher? Or is the phone on, off? Now when we talk about plurals, same thing. We use the verb to be first, and then the rest of the subjects as follow: are we friends? Are you happy? Or are they here? So basically, to wrap it up, the verb to be is to talk about things and what they are.